Oh, how am I feeling? Man, just get some things off my chest, things on my mind. First thing I wanted to say is thank you everybody for supporting the channel, supporting everything. Really appreciate everybody. I was gonna say that it's a hard road. It's not nothing's easy as it seems. They don't have to be as complicated. I just want to say something about the business and creative input. The thing is being in the position that I am, I'm lucky. I'm really thankful for everybody that helps support the art, the channel, everything, keeping this alive. I was going to mention that the difference in, like I said, personal and business. I'm really needing to do better and uphold my promises and whatnot. As I said, the pressure thing sometimes is it's kind of overwhelming, but it's not too much of a big deal. It's gonna get at needing to do better with the channel, create more content, and stick with deadlines and things. Consistency is key, and as long as things stay consistent and keeping everybody happy with the content that's being put out, I think everybody will be satisfied. Ton of projects that I want to finish, ton of projects that I need to finish. I don't know. Things are alright. Things are okay. I want to give everybody more of an insight of what's going on, show you guys things that are behind the scenes. I don't know. I'm thinking a lot about it, and I feel like at the same time, like everybody says that I'm working hard, but I feel as I'm not giving as much effort as I could be giving, and I need to give just a little bit more, work a little bit harder, work a little bit faster, and just make it without any regrets. Do things to where people can see it as it is and not have to worry about being judged because having things being super edited or whatnot. The purpose is to teach. The purpose is to share a little bit of creativity, getting everybody's minds open to new things, trying new things, and that's what I need to do. I think that's what we all need to do, is create things without worrying about judgment or if something is good enough or not. I mean, it's always going to be good as long as you try. That's what they say that matters, and I believe that. If you try, that's all that really matters. So I don't know, I just wanted to get on here real quick and say a few things. As I said before, it's time to work harder, it's time to do better, and give everybody some content and things that they can utilize and be able to grow and expand their creative mind. So that being said, I just want to get a couple things on my chest. This is things I just want to say, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you again for supporting the channel. Thank you again for being a part of this community. Beads, as I say always, become everything a dream should. Take care.